Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on WAEC 2025, May, June. Elective Mathematics. This is further Mathematics paper 2 from the compulsory question. This question carries 6 marks. In my previous video, I have solved question 1. Let's look at this question 2 together. Given that x combination 2 plus x combination 3 minus 4x equals 0, where x is a positive integer. Whatever the value of x we are having, it must be a positive integer. We are asked to find the value of x. Let's look at how we can handle this. First thing to do, let's identify this question is from which topic. This is under permutation and combination. Let's look at how we can solve it together. Let's write down the solution. The general formula for combination is given as n combination r, which is the same as n factorial divided by n minus r all in factorial r factorial. So this is the general formula we're going to apply to this and to this side. So in this case, our x is n now. So it will be n x factorial now divided by x minus 2 factorial 2 all in 2 factorial, that's x minus 2 all in factorial 2 factorial plus x factorial divided by x minus 3 all in factorial 3 factorial minus 4x, it must be equals to 0. We are asked to find the value of x. This x factorial, we can adjust it as x factorial is the same as x into x minus 1 factorial, or x into x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial, or x into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 all in factorial. Can keep on in that order. So let's do some substitution. Find the value of x, the positive value of x. That's what we're looking for. Let me remove it up to this because we don't need the question again. In place of this x factorial, of course, I have x minus 2 factorial in the denominator, meaning I will pick this in place of this x so that I can cancel out x minus 2 factorial. So I will have x into x minus 1 x minus 2 all in factorial divided by x minus 2 all in factorial 2 factorial plus x factorial. You check that I have x minus 3 factorial, meaning I will pick this one that has x minus 3 factorial, replace it with x factorial. This will be x into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 all in factorial divided by x minus 3 factorial 3 factorial, then minus 4x equals to 0. Very important. Okay, let's remove this so that we can have space to simplify. We can even remove this as well. Clearly here, we can cancel out this such that we have x times x, that will be x squared, x times minus 1, that will be minus x divided by 2 factorial means 2 factorial is the same as 2 times 1, which is 2. So divided by 2 plus this will cancel out. We're having x into x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6, divided by 6 minus 4x equals to 0. We may choose to multiply through by the LCM 6. So let's multiply through by 6. X squared minus x divided by 2 plus x into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2 divided by 6 times 6 minus 4x times 6, that will be 24x equals to 0. Very important. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. That will be 3 into x squared minus x plus 6 will cancel this. We have x into x minus 1, x minus 2 minus 24x equals to 0. I hope we're together. Let's move up here so that we can simplify. Let me clean up this point. Let's clear the bracket. 3 times x squared, that will be 3x squared, minus 3 times x, that will be 3x, plus x. Let's expand this. X times x, that's x squared, minus 2x, minus x plus 2, minus 24x equals to 0. 3x squared minus 3x plus x into x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus 24x will be equals to 0. 3x squared minus 3x plus, we expand now, that will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 24x equals to 0. Very important. Let's look at what we can do here. 3x squared minus 3x squared will be 0. We have x cubed as the leading power. Then minus 3x plus 2x, that will be minus x. Minus x minus 24, that will be minus 25x will be equals to 0. Here x is common. Let's factor it out. X cubed divided by x, that will be x squared, minus 25x divided by x, that will be 25 equals to 0. First solution now for x, either x is equals to 0, it means x1 is equals to 0, or x minus 25, x squared minus 25 equals to 0. We can apply difference of 2 square here. That will be x squared minus 5 squared equals to 0. This will be x plus 5, x minus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0 means x will be minus 5. Either x plus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. So the x will be minus 5 or x will be equals to 5. This is x2, x3. Finally, we can conclude that the three values of x, x1 is 0, x2 minus 5, x3 is 5. But x cannot be 0 and x cannot be minus 5 because we are looking at positive x now. So therefore, since x cannot be 0, since n, let's use x or n, since x cannot be 0 or negative, then x is equals to 5, and this will be said to be the value of x. So x is nothing but 5. This is the solution to this question. We can check. Let's say we want to check whether truly x is 5. Let's substitute. We have x combination 2 plus x combination 3 minus 4x. We substitute x as 5, will it be equals to 0? Let's see. 5 combination 2 plus 5 combination 3 minus 4 into 5. 5 combination 2 is 10 plus 5 combination 3 as well is 10 minus, we multiply this, that is 20. Is it equals to 0? This is 20 minus 20, that's to check. That's 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Truly, the value of x that satisfies this is nothing but 5. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. See you in my next video with question 3, God's willing.